Hello and welcome. Thank you for joining us. In this video, we're excited to give you a quick demonstration of Arohaa. Arohaa is a web-based studio that transforms your text content into consistent, high-quality videos. It offers end-to-end video generation with minimal effort and time. Now, let's move on to pricing. We offer some of the most reliable and cost-effective plans in the market. With Arohaa, you get high-quality video generation at a fraction of the typical cost. Now, let's head over to our gallery. This is where you'll find amazing creations from our users who see Arohaa as a powerful tool for expressing their creativity and telling compelling stories.
It was a full moon night, like tonight. The moon was full, and it was a very beautiful night, so some friends felt like going boating in the middle of the night. They wanted to have some fun, so before climbing into the boat, they had a lot to drink. Then they got into the boat, took the oars, and started to row the boat. They rowed for a long time. When the morning was breaking and a cold wind began to blow, they regained their senses and thought,
So what are you waiting for? Start creating videos like these with Arohaa today. To get started, simply log into your account. As part of our early launch offer, we're giving 84 free credits to the first 1,000 new users. Don't miss out. Unlock your creativity with Arohaa now. Just click on Get Started. You'll be taken to your dashboard, where you can edit your content and kick off your creative journey with Arohaa. Now, I'm going to generate a new story titled The Two Oars, where Osho beautifully describes the relationship between love and meditation in his unique way. It's a meaningful and inspiring piece that we're excited to bring to life with Arohaa. You can select different aspect ratios for your video. If the story is too long, Arohaa will automatically summarize it for you. Otherwise, summarization is optional. Next, click on Go to Character Selection. Here, Arohaa automatically processes your story, identifying key characters and breaking the narrative into individual scenes for smooth video creation. Here, you can edit your character's appearance to match the style and tone of your story. Select from various languages and voice options to narrate your story exactly how you want. And don't forget, you can also add background music to bring your video to life. Plus, you have full control over each scene. Edit how you want the characters to appear and behave to perfectly tell your story. Click the Generate Video button to start the process. You will be redirected to the home dashboard, and once your video is fully generated, you'll receive a notification via email. You can track the progress of your video generation in the MySpace section. Each scene is represented by a dot. Green means the scene is completed, yellow indicates it's processing, and red means the scene has failed. With the images ready, Arohaa is now seamlessly stitching all the scenes together to produce your complete video. As your video is processing, you can watch the generated images appear in real time right on the homepage. The video is now complete. Let's dive in and watch it together.
A master took his disciple to the river. The disciple must have asked something like your question, something about love and meditation, something about being together or alone. The master took him to the river. That is the Sufi way to create a situation. Not to say verbally, not to say but to show. He took the disciple into a boat. He took the 2 oars into his hands, started rowing. When they were in the middle, he started rowing the boat with 1 oar. And the boat started going round and round. With 1 oar, the boat will go round and round. The disciple laughed. He said, "What are you doing? What do you want to show to me? We will never reach the other shore." And the master said, "Why?" And the disciple said, "It is so simple. 2 oars are needed to take the boat to the other shore. If you use only 1 oar, it will go round and round forever and ever." The master said, "So you have understood, now I can use both. We will go back to the old shore. I am not interested in going to the other shore. But I have answered your question. Love and meditation are 2 oars. The man who only loves goes round and round. The man who only meditates goes round and round. Nobody, in this way, can reach the other shore. Nobody can reach the beyond. Use both the oars. God has given you both qualities of being meditative and of being loving. Why have you been given 2 possibilities of love and meditation? Do you think God has committed some error? This is time now. You have been using only 1 oar and your boat has been going in circles. It is time to understand and bring the other oar in. And once you have learnt to use both the oars together, in deep harmony, your life, for the first time, will have the quality of benediction in it. Then it will be a blessing to you, and it will be a blessing to others too.
That was an amazing video. Now, why not share your own creativity with the world? You can monitor your credit usage anytime. If needed, you can add more credits without interrupting the video generation process. Please note, credits expire after 1 month. If you find any image that is distorted or doesn't align with the scene, you're always free to edit it at any time. So what are you waiting for? Advance your storytelling abilities with Arohaa today. Thanks for your time. We hope you enjoyed the demo.